Greetings, guys, gals, buddies, and pals. I'm the one referred to as Dezi Perado, and today what I wanted to do was share a beat with you all. Let's take a look. I found this little sample of a Hawaiian wave ukulele, and this is how it sounds. Beautiful. I ended up opening this sample in Alchemy, and what I did was I actually picked the soft synth of the 70s, and I also transposed the melody down one key. So this is what we have now. Vastly different. I went and did the same thing with this second melody. Added the same effect and kind of messed around with the advanced settings to get this one to sound just a smidge different. Yeah. Now we can do them both together at the same time. I then added this little sound here. Making his way back into a different beat is my good friend of yours, Marimba. I also added a few flutes inside of the chorus just to make it a little bigger. For the drums, I decided to go with this kind of pattern. A tambourine for flavor. I then added the 808 kick. Now we can listen to the whole beat.